Welcome to the Gearflow Exoskeleton C2. Take out our Gearflow exoskeleton. Tear off the protective film on the levers. Adjust the waist and leg binding system of the exoskeleton. Adjust the waistband to keep the scales on both sides consistent. Tie the waist binding system to the waist and fasten the magnetic quick release buckle. Adjust the knee plate to the appropriate position on the upper edge of the knee. Fasten the leg buckle and adjust the leg binding system to fit. Perform squats and walking tests. Confirm that each department is stable and free to move. If it is loose or uncomfortable, please readjust it in time. Take out the battery and insert the charger, Type C. Put the battery in the battery bag and connect it with the button controller. Please turn it off after use before taking it off for safety. Press and hold the M button for 3 seconds. Wait for all white lights to fade out. Press the buckle inside the thigh with 2 fingers to untie the leg binding system. Hold the left side of the equipment with the left hand and the rope head of the magnetic waist buckle with the right hand. Pull to the left to untie the waist binding system. Adjust the waist pole to the initial position. Put the equipment back into the corresponding slot in the suitcase. Now the storage has been completed.